Have you ever been cruising down the highway when a massive, brand new truck pulls in front of you? Chrome shining, wheels taller than your coffee table, interior that looks like a luxury hotel lobby. And for a second, a thought crosses your mind. What does this person do for a living? Because that truck costs more than most people's houses used to. Here's the uncomfortable truth. There's a very good chance the person driving it doesn't make more money than you. So how are they doing it? How are regular people, teachers, nurses, office workers, somehow paying for vehicles with price tags that make basic math cry? Today, we're breaking down how people are affording insane car payments and why most of them actually aren't. The new normal nobody questions. Let's start with something shocking that no longer shocks anyone. Car payments that would have been considered reckless 10 years ago are now completely normalized. We're talking payments higher than rent, payments longer than some marriages, payments that last 6, 7, even 8 years. And millions of people sign up every month without blinking. Not because they're rich, but because the system is designed to make the impossible feel reasonable. The monthly payment illusion. Here's the trick that makes everything work. Dealerships don't sell cars anymore. They sell monthly payments. Instead of asking, "Can I afford this car?" people ask, "Can I afford this payment?" And that single shift destroys logic. A $60,000 vehicle feels insane, but $850 a month? Somehow that feels doable, until you realize that payment lasts longer than most phones, relationships, and jobs. Why loan terms keep getting longer. Once upon a time, car loans were 3 years, then 4, then 5. Now, 6, 7, 8 years is normal. 10-year loans exist. Yes, 10. Stretch the loan long enough, and almost anything looks affordable. But here's the cost nobody talks about. You pay thousands more in total. You're stuck with the payment long after the excitement fades. You owe more than the car is worth for most of the loan. That's not ownership. That's a leash. The negative equity loop. This is where things quietly spiral. Someone buys a new vehicle. 3 years later, they want something newer. Problem: they still owe more than the car is worth. So what happens? The old debt gets rolled into a new loan. Now they're paying for the car they no longer own, plus the new, even more expensive one. It's debt stacking disguised as upgrading. And once you're in this loop, escaping requires cash, something most people in the loop don't have. Why $1,000 a month somehow feels normal? Here's the scary part. If someone told you they spend $1,000 a month on coffee, clothes, gadgets, you'd be concerned. But say it's a car? Suddenly it's necessary. Why? Because cars aren't sold as transportation anymore. They're sold as identity. You're not buying a truck, you're buying a story. That truck isn't just a vehicle. It represents success, status, hard work, respect. The ads don't show spreadsheets. They show mountains, power, freedom. So the payment stops feeling like debt and starts feeling like self-expression. And that emotional connection makes bad math easy to ignore. How people actually make the payments work. Here's what most people won't admit. To afford these vehicles, many people downsize their living situation, skip vacations, delay savings, Take second jobs. Use credit cards for basic expenses. Some literally work extra hours just to pay for the car they drive to work. That's not freedom. That's dependency with wheels. The costs nobody includes. Most buyers only calculate one number, the payment, but real ownership includes insurance, often $200 to $300 per month. Fuel, especially brutal for trucks. Maintenance and repairs. Tires, brakes, unexpected failures. Add it all up, and transportation quietly becomes one of the largest expenses in the household, sometimes bigger than housing. The wealth destruction nobody notices. Here's the part that hurts. Over 7 years, many people will spend well over $100,000 on a vehicle. And at the end, they own something worth a fraction of that. That's not investing. That's trading future security for temporary status.